My name is Garrett Chandler, and I am a graduate student at the University of North Texas, majoring in learning technologies. So what you can see on the screen is a website, and this is actually my online portfolio of all the work that I've created in CECS 5110. In this class, we were asked to select a topic which we would like to instruct users on. The topic that I chose was how to wrap a present. So what I would like to do now is walk you through the website and give you an overview of everything that I've been working on. So let's get started with just the first page right here. And what I'm doing right here is actually introducing media-based instruction. And this is what the class was actually designed to do, was to teach us how to instruct using various forms of media. So what I'm doing is highlighting the various forms of media that we focused on, and that includes text and visual together, audio and visual together, video, and then multimedia. As we scroll down, you can see that I am actually a systems management specialist at Denton ISD in the technology department. I love technology, and it is definitely one of my passions. But you could read about that here. And I've also got a PDF down here that will link to even more information. So let's jump into the rest of the portfolio. Next we're going to talk about text-based instruction, and learning through all this was how much thought needs to actually go into creating step-by-step instructions. So there were some challenges there with that. I'm getting very into detail and making sure that the audience is equipped to successfully complete the instruction. I'm kind of used to creating step-by-step instructions, but I tend to use images or something to supplement that. So creating it in text only was definitely a challenge. Now in each of the different sections throughout this web page, you're going to see that I'm going to introduce the topic. I'm going to give you the content, the main point or the main focus of what was created with that instruction, and then I'm going to give you related materials. And this typically includes like a design document or links to this instruction in various forms, like this one is giving you a Word document and a PDF. We were also required to give a blog reflection throughout the semester on our challenges and what we were thinking and how we did certain things, kind of giving feedback on what we were experiencing as we were creating this instruction. And I actually provided the blog reflection at the end of each one. Again, you'll see I've got the main links up here that provide the various different media that we utilized and created the instructions based off of. And then over here on the side, I've got the sections within this main page, so introduction to text and the instruction itself, and then the related materials all link directly to that. So next we have visual, and visual was where we actually we cannot use text, we cannot use audio, and we cannot use video. So creating instruction with images only. Now the challenge here was using Photoshop to actually create these visuals, and that was definitely difficult. There were some challenges that were posed with that, and creating effective instruction without text or audio or any other supplemental media. I chose to embed the PDF in here so that we have some additional ways to zoom in if wanted, or even print or save it. So let's move on to text and visual. So text and visual was the instruction set where we actually utilized images and text together. Much more effective instruction in my opinion. So creating that, I did the same thing. I actually embedded the PDF in there so that users do have the ability to zoom out, print or save if they need to. And then next is audio, and this was kind of a challenging one in itself, simply because we are using audio to provide the instruction set without any text or images or anything. I've got our main audio instruction here, but I actually included the audio mashup that I created, and that was a sample audio clip that I put together just for practice for audio editing for the real instruction that we had to submit. Next is the audio visual. In here, again, I'm introducing it, and this was actually this was kind of fun. This was new to me. It was creating an interactive PDF, and I've never done that before. So there was definitely a learning curve there, but it was very fun and very challenging as well. But I see so many uses for this, so I was very excited to learn about this. So as you can see, I embedded this PDF, but it's actually interactive. So we've got our title page, and then you've got the introduction, and I'm utilizing text and images within it, but I'm also using audio. So I'm taking all three mediums and combining them into one effective instructional set. So that was fun. Obviously we can click through here and you can see that it's changing throughout, and we can go back and everything. So next one's video, and this one was definitely the most challenging. What I did was actually filmed the instruction myself and doing it all. And to be honest, it is not good. That was definitely new for me. I'm used to screencasts such as this, where I'm not actually doing things with my hands and everything. So that was a challenge, and but it was definitely a learning experience, and I came away from this lesson understanding a lot more. So I definitely appreciate that. Again, I included my video mashup, which again is not pertaining to any of my main content instruction, but this was just for fun, again, practicing that video editing before I went into my actual project. And finally, we've got the web page, and the web page is multimedia based instruction, and I've actually already talked about this, so I'm going to link back to it here in a little bit. But this was kind of fun for me because I do enjoy web design, so creating this instruction set using all various forms of media and combining it into one set on a web page such as this. I've created the CSS accordion style object that as you click through, you get the different steps of the instruction set. And so if you want to know more about that, definitely check out my video right here. I did go into a lot more detail about that. So I was very excited to do this project. I'm very proud of the work that I have done. I did want to talk about the website really quick and just say that I did go for a very simple and clean look. I wanted the instruction to be very accessible. I wanted, like the white background. I wanted the images to appear correctly on the web page. I wanted a dark text to stand out against the white background there. And I wanted, a standard font, size 12. But kind of, I went for simplicity and I went for clean. I did enjoy this class. It was definitely a challenge. I definitely learned a lot, but I appreciate all of it. So, thank you.